Good morning, girls.
Good
Today,
morning.
guys, polygons, and as we said before, polygons are a closed shape
Okay,
containing from 3 sides or more.
احنا هنحل which page اصلا هنحلها؟
Okay.
page 91. ميس قالت تختار question حبة أسئلة من page 91 ل 97.
Okay, now, as
Yes.
we see here, we have a lot of figures. Maybe some of them are polygons, maybe not. Okay, the first one. Is it polygon or not?
Yes.
Yes, but the second one, which is the heart,
No.
no, because we have what? We have curve, and we haven't got any line segments, so we can consider it as a polygon. And the half circle also has curve, so we can consider this figure as a polygon. But the triangle is polygon, and the open shape, of course, not a polygon, because we said that the polygons is a closed shape consists of 3 or more line segments. Okay, Mrs. Amira, the next one. Okay, polygons divided to 2 groups. One of them convex and concave. The convex polygon, each interior angle is less than 180 as we studied before. And the concave must has at least one interior angle is more than 180 or reflex angle. And its shape will be as a cave. And as we know that the cave is a hole inside the mountain. So, yes, the next, Miss Amira, yes. The concave, okay, so the concave has at least one angle more than 180. Convex is divided into 2 groups: regular, irregular. Regular.
Romana, please mute your voice. If you don't have any question, please mute your voice.
Regular polygons must have equal interior angles, equal sides and length. So it's their interior angles must be equal in measure, and the sides are equal in length. Okay?
But the irregular,
the
Mr.
concave
Heb, is a difference, right?
Irregular.
Different in length or measures?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Concave.
Now, who
only,
can help me to?
concave only irregular. I don't have the regular subgroup from the concave.
ميسي فاسأل سؤال. هو الريجولر كونفكس بوليجون لازم يا اما السايدز يكونوا ايكوال يا الانجلز كلهم ايكوال ولا لازم الاثنين؟
Should be both.
Must the 2 points. All sides are equal. All angles are equal.
اوكي شكرا.
Okay. But just إن أنا عندي equal sides, the angles must be equal. فاكرة لما كنا بنشوف isosceles triangle, when we said that if we have isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal, so the 2 angles between them are equal also. فاكرين لما كنا بنقول كده؟ Yes, so if we have equal sides, so the interior angles also must be equal. Okay, next, Miss Amira.
Yes.
Okay, the diagonals. Okay, now it's very easy table to find the number of vertices or number of angles or number of triangles inside the polygons. And any question here? Do you have any question to finish this table? I think all of you can find the number of vertices or number of angles, and as we said that the number of angles inside each polygon, we can find it by the rule of n minus 2. So n is the number of sides minus 2 to find the number of triangles inside the polygon. Okay? Okay. After finding the number of polygons, ايه اللي انا هستفاده من الموضوع ده؟ To find the sum of interior angles. And as we said that the sum of interior angles in the triangle, in one triangle, equal 180. So if we have a polygon with two triangles, the sum of its interior will be what? 2 times 180. Okay, what about if we have a polygon with 7 sides, for example? Who can tell me how can we? Yes, 5, because 7 minus 2 equal 5. 5 times 180. Okay, and as we studied before, triangle has 3 sides, quadrilateral 4, pentagon 5, hexagon coming from number 6, heptagon, as we said before, like film hepta, octagon from octopus has 8 sides, nonagon, which has 9 from word 9, nonagon has 9 sides, and the last one, decagon, has 10 sides. Okay, next, Miss Amira.
Wait, Mr. Hab. Yes.
And we have here the rule that I think everyone can use it. Sum of interior angles equal n minus 2 times 180 to find what? To find the sum of the interior angle of any polygon if the n equal
Number of sides.
The measure of each interior angle. Each interior angle. Who can tell me? What shall we do with this rule? To find the measure of each interior.
هنعمل الرول دي divided 180.
Who can answer? Who can answer?
نعمل الرول دي divided 180.
No.
Not divide by 180.
لا divided 180 لا.
I want to find the measure of each interior of regular polygon if we know the number of its sides. So, find the sum of all the interiors, we will apply the rule n minus 2 times 180. So, what about to find each? I want to find each measure of the interior angle.
I have to divide, but divide by what?
by n.
by n.
Yes,
by n.
Be divided the side.
Excellent. Who said n?
Me.
Okay, what's your name? I can't see your name.
Fatima Zahra. Yes.
Yes,
Right.
excellent. So we have to divide n minus 2 times 180 divided by n to find the measure of each interior. Excellent. Okay. So
you will solve this page, Miss Rihab? No, right? I will skip.
It's not important now.
Okay.
We will explain it in details or with details
Yes.
when we explain the special case of parallelogram.
Okay, what about the exterior angle?
Yes, exterior angles. So what is or what meant by the exterior angle? The angle formed by any side of polygon and extensions of its adjacent sides. So if we extend one of the sides of the polygon, so we will form an exterior angle. Okay. What can we do with the exterior? We have very important information or very important rule. It will tell us that the sum of all
108.
angles of certain polygon equal 360. 360. Okay, so if you want to find the measure of each exterior angle, we have to divide 360 by
Okay, that's meaning, Mr. Rahab, يعني that's meaning the exterior angle, the value of exterior angle equal 180 minus the interior angles, right? The first
Yes,
thing. Yes.
This, we want to
Second
explain
rule.
the relation between
Yes.
the relation between. This is the next step. Now I want to find only the measure of each exterior.
Yes,
Okay?
the measure of exterior equal what?
360 divided the side.
Yes, divide by n, right?
Which n what? N the number of sides of the polygon. Okay, now I want now to find the relation between the exterior and the interior. Okay, who can tell me? Huh?
هما الاثنين السم بتاعهم 180.
Yes, they are supplementary angles. They are supplementary angles.
Angles, yes.
So
This one,
the
right?
relation between the interior and the exterior, they are supplementary.
Yes, they are supplementary. And here, the summation of exterior angle equals 360. And if you want to get one of the exterior angles, I will take the 360 divided by n. Right, Miss Rahab?
Yes.
Yes.
And
What
if
shall
you
I do
remember
after that?
the two magic triangles, do you remember them?
مس رحاب
Yes.
انا بعمل 360 divided by n لما يكون هو regular.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Just if it's regular.
We are talking about the regular polygons now. Okay?
Yes, Miss Rahab, the next one, next PowerPoint.
Yes.
Okay.
The quadrilateral is the polygon which has, as we said, 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices. Okay?
Yes.
In this year, we will study the group of quadrilaterals. If we have a quadrilateral which has 1 pair parallel sides, I will call it trapezium or trapezoid. Sometimes we can call it trapezium or trapezoid. Okay, trapezium. Trapezium has 1 pair of parallel sides or 2 opposite sides, 2 opposite sides parallel only. This is the property of the trapezium. Okay? If it has 2 parallel sides and 2 equal sides, we will call it isosceles trapezium. Okay?
Yes.
But it has only 1 pair of parallel sides. Okay? And the other sides are what? Are equal. So in this case, we will call it isosceles. Okay, if we have 2 pairs of parallel sides, means that each 2 opposite sides are parallel. Each two opposite sides are parallel. يعني ايه opposite؟ يعني السايدز اللي قدام بعض are parallel. We will
Parallel
call
and
it
equal.
parallelogram. And
Parallel
now,
and equal.
yes, parallel and equal.
Yes.
Okay. And now,
بس هو مش في trapezium اللي هو right angle trapezium؟
yes,
Yes. Yes, we have it. Another type, right?
one angle, right angle.
بالسحاب. والايسوسيلس ترابيزيوم. الايسوسيلس ترابيزيوم الاثنين اللي بيكونوا equal بيكونوا not parallel، انما الاثنين اللي مش equal بيكونوا parallel.
Yes.
ايوه مش لازم يكونوا في نفس الوقت.
Yes, I said that. I said البير الباراليل. The other sides بقى السايدز الثانية هي اللي بتبقى isosceles. اوكي؟ هم اللي بيبقوا. Okay, now the properties of the parallelogram. It has each two opposite sides parallel and equal. Each two opposite angles are equal. Okay?
Yeah.
Each two adjacent or consecutive angles are supplementary. Okay? But the opposite what? The opposite are equal. But the adjacent or consecutive are supplementary. Okay? What about the diagonals? The diagonals bisect each other, but they are not equal. Bisect each other, but they are not equal. Okay? I have special case the parallelogram.
Let me to change that. يعني the parallelogram I has a rectangle, rhombus, and the square. Those are the special case from parallel, right?
Yes.
Okay. Here, the sides for each one.
Each two sides in the parallelogram are equal and parallel. Also, rectangle has the rectangles have two pairs of parallel sides and opposite sides equal. The squares has four equal sides and each two opposite sides are parallel. Also, the rhombus.
Two pairs of parallel sides.
Yes, parallel
and
sides
all sides equal also.
All sides are equal.
Okay.
Looks like what? The square. And
yes.
Always I consider the rhombus and square as brothers.
Yes.
The parallelogram and rectangle also as brothers, because the rhombus has as the square four equal sides, and rectangle parallelogram each two opposite sides are
equal and parallel. Yeah.
All the
parallelogram, a rectangle, square, and rhombus.
Yeah,
all of them.
Each two opposite sides are parallel and also all of them their diagonal bisects each other. Take care. All of them.
This is the special properties.
The other, and all of them, each two opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay?
Okay, what about the angles?
Okay, now let's talking about the angles.
Yeah.
Parallelogram, each two opposite angles are equal. Each two adjacent angles are supplementary, as we said.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Rectangle has four right angles. Rectangle has four right angles. Square also four right angles. But the rhombus as the parallelogram, each two opposite sides equal, each two adjacent or consecutive angles are supplementary.
Diagonals?
Yes, diagonals. Parallelogram has two diagonals. They are bisect each other. Also, only. Okay. Rectangle.
And each side or each bisects each others. That means
Only.
yes.
If we consider, for example, the intersected point M, for example, if we want to name this parallelogram
Wait,
A,
Miss
B,
رحاب،
C, D.
يعني if I did مثلا for example A, B,
B,
sorry, yes, C, and D,
D,
yes, and this one
yes,
is M.
and the point M.
Yes, this one.
So
Yeah.
here we get MB equal MD, MA equal MC.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
The
The
rectangle.
rectangle also has diagonals. They are equal. Take care, girls. They are equal. And also bisect each other because we said all the
Right angles.
special case of the parallelogram have diagonals bisect each other. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, the square. Yes, the square has also two diagonals. They bisect each other, and they are equal. But the new thing, they are perpendicular. They are perpendicular. Okay. Who now? I want to ask you. Who can tell me? Okay, we will finish the rhombus. The
Yes.
rhombus also has two diagonals. They are perpendicular, bisect each other, but they are not equal. Okay? So,
يعني السكوير
if we have,
هما الاثنين بس اللي الدايجونالز بتاعتهم ايكوال.
okay,
Yes, Ella.
yes, I will tell you a story. Okay? Parallelogram, the square and the rectangle. One day they went to هنقول ايه dream park for example. No, dream park. Of course, I think.
Yeah.
Yes.
Parallelogram
Next
and what?
part.
Parallelogram and which one?
Is the
Miss رحاب, parallelogram and which one?
okay, just a minute,
Yeah.
Mrs. أميرة.
Okay.
عارفين في دريم بارك في بيت جحا صح؟ اللي هو فيه مرايات. عارفين
Yeah.
الفلترز اللي موجوده جديد دلوقتي اللي بتتخن كل الناس منزلينها على الفيسبوك دلوقتي وبتغير الدايمنشنز بتاعت الاشكال. عارفه صح؟
ايوه، مش دي
طيب.
اللي بتأثر الواحد وبتتخنه وبتطوله وحاجات كده.
بالظبط.
بحبها قوي، عايزه
فلو
اطولها
احنا
اطول.
لو ان الريكتانجل والسكوير راحوا المكان ده او عملوا فلتر and they have what they have two equal diagonals, right? But after the filter, the diagonals are not equal. الريكتانجل بقى parallelogram والسكوير بقى rhombus. Okay? And the right angles, huh?
Changed
مالها ايه اللي
برضه.
حصل لها؟
Changed برضه.
Yes, change. Okay? يبقى after the filter ال diagonals become not equal will right angle change to any measure. Okay?
Yeah.
يبقى again I have diagonals, two diagonals in all of them. All of them have two diagonals. And all of them, their diagonal bisect each other. Okay? This is the first formation.
Yeah.
Now, I have right angles in the rectangle and the square. Okay? Rectangle with square have two equal diagonals. Okay? After the filter,
the side
we'll get the parallelogram and the rhombus.
Yeah.
Okay? Two diagonals are not equal, but still bisect each other. Okay? Two each two opposite angles are equal, but they haven't got what? The right angles.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
But we have the perpendicular في الرhombus وفي السكوير. ها كده متهيألي بقت واضحة.
Yeah.
You got it now?
Okay. Okay, this is a summary.
So this is our summary. The
Yes.
properties of quadrilateral.
Please wait. Wait.
One pair parallel side.
Yes.
One pair parallel side. We will get the trapezium if the two parallel. If we have two parallel sides and two equal sides, I will get isosceles trapezium. If we have inside the trapezium only one or two right angles, we will call it right trapezium. If we have a quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides, I will get parallelogram. Parallelogram maybe has each two opposite sides equal and parallel and has four right angle. I will call it in this case rectangle. If it has four equal sides with right angles, I will call it in this case square. If it has equal sides but hasn't got any right angles, I will call it rhombus.
حاضر.
Diagonals. Parallelogram has two diagonals bisect each other, but they are not equal. Rectangle has two diagonals equal and bisects each other. Rhombus has two diagonals, they are not equal, but they are perpendicular and bisect each other. The square has two diagonals, they are equal, they bisect each other, and they are perpendicular. Yes. Each two opposite angles in the parallelogram are equal. Each two adjacent angle are supplementary.
Okay.
Any question now, girls? تقريبا
Miss, I can understand.
مين اللي كان
doesn't understand.
اوكي مش فاهمة ايه يا جمانة؟
أنا مش جمانة.
مين اللي مش
أنا
فاهم؟
ملك.
ايوه يا ملك.
حاتم.
يا ملك.
اللي هي الحتة الأخيرة دي.
يا ملك.
إيه؟
We are talking about what?
Polygons.
Okay, polygons or the parallelogram.
Parallelogram. لسه داخلة في مش عارفة.
طيب ملك.
انت لسه داخلة.
عشان كده. طب بصي يا ملك، ممكن يعني
incorporate على القلم
يا حبيبي.
ماشي.
هطلع لكم الفيديو على القلم يا حياتي. اوكي ماشي يا سكر يا جميل. دلوقتي حاولي تفهمي من ميس رحاب.
اوكي
ثانك يو.
مش أميرة.
91 page 91 يس.
معلش يا مس أميرة، هو أنا بس متلخبطة بين حاجتين. أنا حضرت بس ما كنتش مركزة في حتة الفرق ما بين الكونكيف والكونفي.
which one again؟ اللخبطة فين فريدة؟
أنا متلخبطة ما بين الكونكيف والكونفكس تقريبا، اللي هي التانية.
كونكيف and convex. اوكي.
إيه؟
مس رحاب.
اوكي.
فريدة.
بصي معايا الأول، مين معايا؟
فريدة حسن.
فريدة حسن. listen فريدة.
اوكي.
بصي حبيبة قلبي. If we have a polygon which has interior angle more than 180 like the shapes of stars، لو أنا عندي star، لو أنا عندي arrow، these or those figures has at least one interior angle more than 180.
ده الكونفيك.
ده الكونكيف. بصي
What the meaning of cave, Miss
هي جايه
Rahab?
من كيف.
Miss
جايه
Rahab,
من كلمه
please.
كيف.
I will ask Farida.
يعني
Yes,
ايه
Farida,
كيف؟
what's the meaning of cave?
كيف اللي هو الكيف زي
الكهف.
Yes, right. For example, if I have a person here, concave means this person will go or enter the two here from the cave. So the cave here is a reflect angle. The interior angle of this part should be more than 180. At this time, it will be concave.
أميرة,
Yes.
I want to draw something. May
Yes.
I?
Yes.
Okay. I will.
What do you want to draw?
Okay. Do you see this star?
Yes. Yes, we see it.
Okay. I will change the color. Okay. Okay. What about this angle? You can see it?
No.
Yes.
Which one?
This angle?
تحت.
Okay.
concave.
أنا مش عارفة أعملها.
Okay, wait. Maybe I will try to do it. Okay, please wait. Miss Rahab, please, can you remove the, no, not this. Okay, I need the star. Okay, wait, girls, look at here. If I have a star, for example, if I have a star such as that.
Yes, okay, Mrs. Amira, this is better.
Right, Miss Rahab? Okay,
Yes.
you can do that now.
Okay.
تفضلي Miss Rahab. This shape called?
This is a star.
Yes, I can call it as a concave or convex.
Angle?
Concave.
Concave. Why?
Because one of it is 180.
Yes.
More than.
Okay.
More than.
Look at
More
here.
than
180.
This angle is a reflex angle.
Okay, I will draw another one, Miss Amira.
Yes. تفضلي Miss Rahab.
I want to erase this. Okay. And this is I think have this. You have this shape in the quiz, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Can you see this angle?
Yes, this angle.
What about this angle?
One of the interior angles. At least more than 180.
Yes.
These reflex angles which its measure more than 180. Okay?
Okay, I understand.
Yes,
okay.
I can call it at this time. It's as a concave.
Concave
or polygon. Yes, Miss Rahab.
Yes. Now we will solve
the
sheet page 91.
Yes.
And we will choose some of them, okay? Because we have models, we will upload them in the LMS, okay?
يعني مش هنحلهم كلهم.
Yes, Mrs. Amira, please.
The time can't help us about for solving all of them with you.
والباقي احنا اللي المفروض نحله.
Yes.
Okay. Now I want to ask you a question, please.
Okay.
If I have parallelogram and I want to prove that this figure or this quad is parallelogram, I have many conditions. Can you tell me the conditions to tell us that this figure is parallelogram? Who can answer?
Who can answer that? Which question, Ms. Rahab?
If I have a figure and I want to prove that this figure is parallelogram. How can I do that? I have conditions.
Yes, we have a conditions, the 4 conditions or 5 conditions, girls.
Yeah, to be
They are
parallel.
5. They are 5. Who can tell me about them?
Parallel.
What
ممكن أقول
Yes.
ممكن اقول واحده برضه.
لو each two opposite sides are parallel و equal.
Yes, each two opposite sides parallel only. Okay, this is one
equal.
condition.
Okay.
The second one?
each two consecutive angles are supplementary.
Yes, excellent.
each two opposite angles are equal.
Yes, excellent.
والdiagonals هيكونوا bisect each other بس مش بيكونوا equal.
Yes, excellent. Diagonals bisect each other. Yes. There is another condition?
No.
ايوه.
Please,
two sides are parallel and equal.
Yes.
أنا قلتها.
Only parallel and equal. Now, I will repeat them again. If I have each two opposite side equal, this is number 1. Each two opposite side are equal. Number 2, each two opposite side parallel. Okay.
Okay, Mr. Hab, you have it now.
Yes. Each two opposite angle are equal. Each two consecutive or adjacent angles supplementary, and the last one if the diagonals bisect each other.
Okay, again, Mr. Hab, please. Each two opposite sides, each two opposite sides are
parallel.
Are parallel. Yes, each two. Another case. Each two opposite sides are equal. If I have each two opposite sides are equal, this equal this, and this one equal with this one. Okay. Two sides are just two. Just two sides are both parallel and equal. يبقى I have just two sides parallel and equal. At this time, it's a parallelogram. Right, Mr. Hab?
Yes.
Are you with me?
And the fourth one?
Yes, the third, the fourth one.
Each two opposite angles are equal.
Yeah.
Each two or
yes,
or two consecutive angles are supplementary.
يعني two angles here, each two are equal, or another thing. Yes, please. Yes, another thing. If I have both equal, supplementary means the summation of them equal 180. Right, Mr. Hab?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
And the last condition?
The last one?
The diagonals bisect each other.
Yes, bisect each other, and if this one equal this one and this one equal this one, that at this time it will be the parallelogram. Okay.
Okay. Any question now? Because it's very important to study it, to study them, to prove if you have a figure, to prove that this figure is parallelogram. Okay, now moving Ms. Amira to 91.
Okay.
Okay. Who can answer with me, girls?
Yes. Who will help Mr. Hab for solving the question?
ممكن أنا.
Yes, Sundus. Yes. Mr. Hab with you.
يكون the diagonals of a polygon matched matched between two non-adjacent vertices.
Excellent. Not none or not consecutive or adjacent. Excellent, Sundus.
Adjacent.
While the side matched between adjacent vertices.
Yes, excellent.
Adjacent vertices, while the side matches between
adjacent
vertices.
Okay, adjacent. Girls, edge means adjacent.
بعدها.
Yes.
Okay, what's your name?
Malak.
Yes, yeah, Malak. The triangle has how many
3
diagonals?
diagonals.
What?
3.
3
Three.
diagonals? Huh? Okay, this is
Yes.
the triangle. Let me draw something, Mrs. Amira, please.
Yes.
That was 1.
Okay, this is the triangle, okay? And the diagonal matches between two unadjacent vertices. يعني ايه الكلام ده؟ This is vertex, 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 okay? I have here 3 vertices. الdiagonal بيjoin between 2 vertices but they are not adjacent يعني مش ورا بعض. حاولي كده تjoin between 2 vertices مش ورا بعض.
للأسف كلهم ورا بعض مس رحاب.
كلهم ورا بعض. If I join between 2 lines join between 2 vertices after each other or consecutive or adjacent I will get side. هلاقي side مش هلاقي مفيش اهو ده side. طب اجي هنا side مش هينفع. But can you clean the board please Miss Amira?
Okay. حاضر مس رحاب.
But here if I have for example this rectangle. Okay, now I will choose one vertex and join between other vertex not adjacent يعني مش ورا الفيرتكس اللي انا اخترته. اهو هعمل ايه؟ diagonal. Okay? Can I draw
Rehab, that's meaning Miss Rehab.
vertex?
Miss
نعم.
Rehab, if you talk about this vertex,
Yes.
those vertices are adjacent, right?
Yes, adjacent.
Okay.
يعني
What about the last one here?
بعض على طول.
Yes. This is one is not adjacent.
Yes.
If
I join between vertex and another vertex but it's not adjacent يعني مش جاي ورايا على طول I will get the diagonal.
طيب okay, I will try for another vertex.
Can I do another diagonal from this vertex? No.
If I talk about this vertex, Miss Rehab, طيب.
Yes. If
The
I
two adjacent, this one is adjacent, and this
Yes.
one also is adjacent.
If I join between 2 adjacent vertices, I will get sides.
Sides. Okay. What about the farthest way or the unadjacent one?
I will get a diagonal. Like this.
Yes. So I have 2 diagonals in the quadrilateral.
Or quadrilateral, yes.
طيب. What about the triangle?
1.
It has how many diagonals?
1.
No.
0.
It has not any diagonals.
0.
One diagonal. اهو تاني اهو ما ينفعش ما فيش diagonal يعني انا لو انا عملت كده هيجي لي side لو عملت كده هيجي لي side لو عملت كده هيجي لي side. ما عندوش diagonals. Okay? 0 or no diagonals.
Okay. The quadrilateral has how many diagonals?
2.
2, yes, excellent.
2. مش ينفع احل بعدها؟
Miss Rahab, she asked to solve the next one.
Yes, the measure of angle of regular pentagon. Tell me the rule only.
هنعمل عشان نجيب each angle هنعمل اللي هي n minus 2
Yes.
times 180 over n.
Yes, excellent.
هتبقى 5 minus 2 times
Excellent.
180 over 5 equals
Minus
108.
Yes.
Times times 180. Yes.
over 5
ملك ياسر
180
ملك ياسر
over.
5
استني يا مس أميرة.
Yes.
ملك
Yes.
ياسر where is ملك ياسر؟
ملك ياسر.
yes
Okay, please
ملك
wait.
ياسر معانا.
I don't have anyone called ملك ياسر.
ايوه ملك ياسر عندنا في 1 دي يا بنات صح؟
لا
ملك ياسر فين؟
مفيش ملك ياسر في
مفيش
الدفعة.
ملك ياسر في الدفعة خالص. ياسر دي مش موجود.
are you sure؟
You can remove her Miss رحاب.
ما هي بتخرج وبتدخل على طول للاسف، يعني بتيجي بتسمعنا وبتخرج.
ايوه.
اوكي
Okay.
thank you
equal
يا
108
Equal. It will be equal
108
108
108 degrees. Okay.
أنا زي
Yes. E.
yes the quadrilateral has how many sides? It's very easy I think.
4
4. Yes.
nonagon
9
yes quickly
Please
أجاوب
wait.
اللي بعديها
مستر حاب ممكن اجاوب؟
ممكن أجاوب اللي بعديها
ممكن اجاوب مستر حاب؟
G yes yes يا آلاء.
ممكن أجاوب
هو the sum of the interior angles of a hexagon is الهكسجون عنده 6. احنا علشان نجيب السم بتاع الانتيرير هنعمل النمبر بتاع السايز minus 2 times 180.
يعني 6
6 minus 2 equal 4 equal 4 times 180 equal 700.
okay and if I don't
180
find each interior يا آلاء what shall I do؟
divided by number يعني الرول دي divided by number.
yes
all of them divide by
number
yes
number of sides.
polygon which has no diagonal is
all of
called
them divide by
triangle.
ثانية هو احنا ليه هنعمل لهم ديفايد؟ هو عايز هو
أيوه
لا هي بتسأل
sum
لو
of interior
خلاص هو
angles.
هيكونوا equal 4 times 180
Yes. Right.
فهيطلع 720 720
720.
okay the polygon which has no diagonals is called
triangle.
yes the sum of
here,
major interior
Hold
angles
again. معلش مس رحاب wait please. Okay, here triangle.
triangle.
Okay.
the sum of major of interior and exterior angle in the same vertex we said the relation
180
180.
the perimeter of regular hexagon is 30 then its side length equal
5
هنعمل
centimeters.
30 divided 6 هتبقى equal 5
5 centimeters.
Regular hexagon is 30. The perimeter of regular hexagon is 30.
so
يبقى
30
كده السايد هيكون 30 divided 6
يبقى
هتكون equal 5
Yes, 30 divide by
6
6
5
equal
5 centimeters.
5
okay thank you girls
5 centimeters. Okay, the next. Mr. Habba, you will solve all the page?
oh no I think that's enough
Okay. The next
okay
one.
yes next one please
Okay. Next one, Mr. Habba, this one.
yes correct and
Mr. Habba.
yes okay
Which
point A what is a regular polygon is it square or triangle or rectangle I
Square.
want regular polygon yes square why
Because equal sides and angles.
yes because the square is equal
Square?
sides and equal angles
Angles.
Okay, the square, right?
yes the square polygon regular
both of them
Both of them.
both of them
both of them
both of them.
Both of
If
them.
you
Okay, please
choose
wait. Please wait.
equal sides
The first
only,
one,
it will be wrong.
square. Second one,
Both of them.
Both of them.
both.
Both of them.
The third one,
Here,
Triangle.
girls.
Triangle.
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 Girls, please, girls. Just a minute, Mrs. Amira.
حاضر.
Back to point B. Polygon is regular if you choose equal sides only or equal angles only, it will be wrong. Take care.
Which
Okay?
one, Miss Rahab?
اللي هي B. Polygon is regular if you choose equal sides or equal angles only, it will be wrong. Even it's right, هي صح but هتبقى غلط لأن لازم ال two conditions.
مش ممكن احلها اللي بعدها؟
Yes, the sum of interior angles.
The first one, A, Miss Rahab. You talking about A?
No, B. B,
A polygon is regular if it has two things,
equal sides or
equal sides
equal
and equal angles.
Even in the equal sides, right? But if they choose
Not equal angles.
sides or equal angles only, it will be wrong. يعني لو هم اختاروا لي equal sides أو equal angles
One of
لوحدها
them wrong.
لازم both of them.
Yes. دي
ممكن احل دي؟
انا يا حبيبتي بحلها. ابدا.
Yes, يلا.
نعمل 7 minus 2 time 180.
Yes. Tell me the answer.
900.
yes, okay, without any
Miss-
calculation.
ميس الأسئلة اللي بعديها متعادة، اللي هما السؤالين اللي بعديها.
Okay.
خلاص Miss Rahab, you have just 2 minutes.
Okay. Now طب
ممكن أجاوب السؤال ده؟
120, the summation of interior angles of hectagon.
skip this page.
Okay, this is
لا يا ميس 540.
540, okay?
No, it will be 900.
900.
900.
900.
See you
Okay.
tomorrow إن شاء الله.
Thank you for listening, girls. Thank you for listening.